In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print ClickUp task list or export views. First, open your browser and go to ClickUp. If you're not already signed in, log in so you can access your workspace. This ensures you have the right permissions to view and print tasks. Once you're in, you'll land on your home or a recent location. From here, you'll navigate to the area that holds the work you want to print. Next, click on the space that contains your tasks. In ClickUp, a space is a top-level container for a team, department, or project area. Choosing the correct space helps you narrow down to the exact tasks you need. If you manage multiple spaces, it can help to quickly scan the names or icons to make sure you're in the right place before continuing. Now, open your list or board. The list view presents tasks in a structured, table-like layout, while the board view shows them as cards grouped by status. Either view works for this process. Pick the one that makes it easiest for you to find the task you want to print, especially if you're preparing something for a meeting or a handoff. Once you've located the right item, select a task to open its details. This will bring up the task pane with the title, description, assignees, due dates, and any custom fields your team uses. Take a moment to check that everything is up to date. Descriptions, subtasks, and key fields, so what you print reflects the latest information. In the task window, look for the three-dot menu, often called the More Options menu, typically in the upper right corner. Click it to reveal additional actions related to the task. If you don't see it immediately, hover near the task header. It might appear when your mouse is over that area. From that menu, click Print. Your browser's print dialog will open. Here, choose your printer or select Save as PDF if you prefer a digital copy. Adjust orientation, scale, and margins so the content fits neatly on the page. If available, enabling background graphics can improve formatting for headers and colors. Preview before confirming to ensure all essential details, like descriptions and custom fields, are visible. Then finalize the print or save. A quick note, depending on your workspace settings and plan, you may also find export options in similar menus for views. If your goal is a shareable file instead of a physical print, look for export choices in the View toolbar. That's it. You've navigated to your space, opened your list or board, selected the task, and used the three-dot menu to print a clean, readable record.